Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle support beneath you. The chair, the floor, the bed, holding you completely. And you can allow your awareness to drift inward to the simple, steady rhythm of your breath, not trying to change it, just noticing it, in and out. Each inhale, a quiet arrival. Each exhale, a gentle release. And it's okay to notice whatever you're feeling in this moment. Perhaps a sense of readiness, or a quiet tiredness, or the subtle hum of daily thoughts. And all of that is perfectly welcome here. This is a space of pure allowance, a space where you can simply be. And with the next exhale, you might imagine letting go of any need to do anything or be anywhere else, releasing that weight and sinking even deeper into this present moment. You can begin to notice a wave of relaxation starting at the very crown of your head, a soft melting sensation, as if warm sunlight is gently dissolving any tension there, and this wave flows down over your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and this wave of deep relaxation now flows into your chest and your heart center. And with every heartbeat, you can feel a space opening up within, a spaciousness where peace can reside. The wave moves through your torso, your back, soothing every vertebra, every muscle along your spine, a sense of being deeply supported and aligned. And now it flows down through your hips, your pelvis, releasing, softening, and down through your thighs, your knees, your calves, until it reaches your ankles, your feet, and finally flows out through the soles of your feet, connecting you to the stable, nurturing energy of the earth below. And in this deeply relaxed state, your conscious mind can take a well-deserved rest, while your subconscious mind, the wise, intelligent part of you that governs every heartbeat, every cell renewal, every breath, becomes wonderfully open and receptive to new suggestions, to life-affirming words. It's as if a door is opening within you, a door to the inner control room of your health and vitality, and you are now stepping inside, taking your seat with full access to every system, every process, every radiant potential. And from this place of deep inner connection, we begin. I am a being of vibrant, radiant health. This truth resonates in my body is intelligent. My body is wise. My body knows exactly how to heal, and it has done so since the moment I was born. It knows how to mend, to renew, to restore balance. And I now choose to get out of its way, to trust its infinite wisdom completely. I provide it with the thoughts, the feelings, and the signals that support its magnificent work. I choose thoughts of strength. I choose feelings of vitality. I choose the signal of perfect wellness. I can feel a surge of vitality rising from within me now. It begins deep in my core. A warm, golden energy, like a sun rising in the center of my being. And with every heartbeat, this inner sun pulses, sending waves of this powerful, life-giving energy outward through my organs, my muscles, my tissues, my bones. I can feel my entire body humming with this renewed, vibrant frequency. My digestive system is a calm, efficient center of nourishment and energy conversion. I see it functioning with smooth, rhythmic ease. I nourish my body with foods that are vibrant and full of life, and my body thanks me by extracting every bit of vitality, every vitamin, every mineral, and converting it into clean, sustainable energy that fuels my day. I feel light, energized, and nourished from within. From my heart beats with a strong, steady, joyful rhythm. With each beat, it pumps not just blood, but this vibrant, healing energy to every distant capillary, every tiny cell. I send gratitude to my heart for its faithful, lifelong service, and in return, I feel it grow even stronger, more resilient, filled with the joy of its own essential purpose, more resilient for the so pebbly. My lungs are clear and expansive. Bid. With every inhale, I draw in the prana, the life force that fills the air. With every exhale, I release all that my body has finished using, all stagnation, all fatigue. My breath is a continuous cycle of receiving vitality and releasing what no longer serves me. Fatigues, to stare. Felt as Spidey stubbornly gratitudes my muscles. They carry me with ease. They allow me to move with grace. They are filled with a youthful, vibrant strength that is always available to me. My mind and my body are in perfect, harmonious communication. There is no separation. The thoughts I think are instantly translated into chemistry, into energy within my body. And so, I choose thoughts that create the chemistry of health, the chemistry of joy. I now access a powerful memory, a moment in my life when I felt absolutely vibrant, full of energy, alive with health. It might be a memory from childhood, running without tire, or a moment after great rest, or a time of physical accomplishment. Find that memory now. See what you saw then. Hear the sounds around you, and most importantly, feel what you felt in your body. That surge of energy, that lightness, that sense of invincible well-being. Immerse yourself in that memory. Let the feelings grow stronger and stronger. And as you feel this peak state of vitality at its strongest, I want you to gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand. Do it now. This is your anchor. You are linking this powerful physical sensation with this powerful internal feeling of perfect health and vitality. Good. Now, release the anchor. Let the memory gently fade, but know the connection is set. Whenever you need a burst of vital energy, 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 whenever you need a... Sleep is my body's sacred time of deep restoration. Every night, I surrender easily to deep, healing sleep. My body uses this time to repair, to rebalance, to consolidate the vitality of the day. I wake each morning feeling refreshed, renewed, and brimming with eager, positive energy for the day ahead. I attract health. I radiate health. I am a magnet for wellness in all its forms. My very presence can uplift others because I am so filled with this vibrant life force. It overflows from me naturally. And now press my anchor again, thumb and forefinger, and feel that wave of vitality rush back, even stronger than before. It's building, flowing, filling every cell with light and energy. This is my natural state. This is who I am, a being of energy, a being of light, a being of impeccable, self-sustaining health. Release the anchor and let the feeling remain permanent, woven into your being. Every challenge my body faces is met with incredible resourcefulness and strength. There is no enemy within, only intelligent systems learning, adapting, and growing stronger. I view my body as my greatest ally, and I speak to it with love, with encouragement, with unwavering faith. This state is integrating now at the deepest level of your subconscious. It is becoming your new normal, your baseline, the foundation from which you live your life. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day until we meet again in stillness.